Where did we stop last week? Okay, page number 3 වල end එක. Nature in danger. Nature සබාධම් in danger අන්න today. Today පුතේ පොඩි සිංහල meanings වල අවුලක් තියෙනවා. අද කියන එක එන්න දෙවන්නේ ආවිල්ලානේ today වගේ. Today the natural resources are in danger because of increase in cutting trees. Again, what is the meaning? අද ගස් කැපීම වැඩි වීම නිසා ස්වභාව සම්පත් ගොඩක් අනුකූලව තියෙනවා. Right. In the future, forest may turn into deserts. අනාගතයේදී වනාන්තර කාන්තාර බවට පත් වෙනවා. පුතේ ටියුටර් එක ෆස්ට් පේජ් මම පෙන්නන්නට පළවෙනි පිටු මොකක්ද? හරි ඕකේ page number 4. 4 වල පළවෙනි එක ඉන්නේ. හරිනේ? The environment is polluted every day from human activities. The environmental pollution and other hazards lead to global warming, rains, droughts, and famines. Due to these, people will suffer from a number of illnesses. We can see an increase in animal hunting. There should be a balance between animals and humans. So we must protect nature to have a healthy natural environment. Right. මුලින්ම දැන් තියෙනවා ඉංග්‍රීසි රීඩ් කරන මාත් එක්කව. මාත් එක කියලා තනියෙන් රීඩ් කරන යනවා වගේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ ඇත්තටම. එක රිද්ම් එකකට හැමෝම එකට යනවා. Okay. Nature in danger. everyone හැමෝම කියන්නේ everyone කියන්නේ හැමෝම. Today you continue. Okay. Correct, yeah. The natural resources are in increasing, cutting trees. In the future, forests may turn into deserts. The environment is polluted every day from human activities. The environmental pollution and other hazards lead to global warming, rains, droughts, and famines. Due to these, people suffer from a number of illnesses. We can see an increase in animal hunting. There should be a balance between animals and humans. So, we must protect nature to have a healthy natural environment. Next one, food in future. Anagata ahara, anagata ahara. What people will eat in the future will totally be different. What people eat කියලා තිබ්බත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ ඒක. චුර මේ ග්‍රැමර් එකේ එතකොට මේකට ග්‍රැමර් එක අවුලක් තියෙනවා. eat එනවා. What people eat. What people eat එනවා. නිල කවර දාන්න. What people eat in the future will totally be different. Again, that means sometimes people will take pills instead of food. Oh, sure. They will consider that food pills are fresher, healthier, and cheaper. Yes. There will be kitchenless homes and the food pills save time. Ek will save ka kaman. Right. The appearance, smell, and the taste of food will change. A meal will be in a single, convenient, and portable dose. Right, next one. The impact of this will change will change the impact of this will change the whole world. Yes. Okay, start. Food in future. Continue. what people will eat in the future will totally different. Sometimes people will take things instead of food. They will consider that food bills are fresher, healthier, and cheaper. There will be kitchen less hours and the food bills will save. The appearance, smell, and the taste of food will change. A meal will be in a single, convenient, and portable dose. The impact of this will change the whole world. දැන් පුතේ කට්ටියම කියනකොට ඒකේ වාසිය නම් තමුණු කියලා තමයි බැරි දෙයක් පුරුදු වෙන්නේ. සමහර අය සයිලන්ට් එකේ හිටියම ඒක තමන්ටම පාඩුවක් වෙන්නේ. ඇයි? රීඩ් කරන්න ගියාම ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන සමහර ඒවා දන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට දැන් හැමොත් එකම කියලා බැලුවා නම් අපට දන්න විදිහට මොකද නිකම්ම උරු වෙනවා. ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වෙනවා. ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකයි මම කියන්නේ. හරි. මාත් එක වැඩ කරලා යන්න. මම ක්ලාස් ෆිසිකල් කිරීමේ වාසිය තමයි මාත් එක හැමෝම වැඩ කරලා මම කොහොමද කියලා හදලා දෙනවා. හරි ඒක තමයි මම දැන් ප්ලෑන් කරන්නේ. ෆිසිකල් එකේ වාසිය මම උපරිම ගන්නවා. මාත් එක්කම වැඩ කරනවා. ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරනවා. ඊළඟ ඩියුටි තව ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරනවා. ඩ්‍රිලින් පැටර්න්ස් දාලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ මම කියන ඔයගොල්ලෝ තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. මුත් එකේ ඩ්‍රිලින් කියලා ක්‍රම තියෙන ඉංග්‍රීසි ගන්න ක්‍රම ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා. හරි. ඩ්‍රිලින් තියෙනවා ජිග්සෝ ඇක්ටිවිටිස් කියන වර්ග ගොඩාක් මම කරේ. මට කියන්න මෙතන මම කියන්න වෙලාව නැති රූටින් ඇක්ටිවිටිස් ධම්මන්න පුළුවන් අපිට හැබිට්ස් ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් මේ ඩිස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්නේ වගේ ගොඩාක් ක්‍රම තියෙනවා. එක එක ක්‍රම තියෙනවා ගන්න පුළුවන්. එකක් කියලා නැහැ. ඒ වගේ ගොඩාක් දාලා. හරිද? reinforcement කරන කියන්නේ reinforcement කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඒවා ඇඟටම යන්න වචනේම හරිද? patterns හුරු කරන්න behaviors approach එක කරා එක එක ක්‍රම පාවිච්චි කරලා ගොඩක් කරා මම බලන්න ඉස්සරහට practice කරනවා online නෙමෙයි physical එක නිසා. online එක කට්ටියත් ඔහි දැන් තනියෙන් කියලා පුරුදු වෙන්න තියෙනවා. හේතුව මෙතන නෙමෙයි ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නේ ඔහෙනේ මම දන්නේ නැහැ කියනෝ නැද්ද කියලා. අර මම මයික් එක මියුට් කරලා තියන්නේ සමහර ගෙවල් වල කතා කරනකොට මට එනවා අමතක වෙලා ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගෙදර කෑ ගහනවා මේක මියුට් එක අන්මියුට් මේ කරපු ගමන්. හරි බලමු. my village මගේ ගම. my village is Moratuwa. මගේ ගම Moratuwa. It is situated in the Colombo district. ඔය වෙනස් කරන අවශ්‍ය තැන් වල තමයි ඕනේ. එක තියෙන්නේ වෙන district එක නේද දාන්න පුළුවන්. My village is very beautiful. It has a post office, buildings, bus stops, etc. Oh, etc. can आदि. It has beautiful, clean and natural clean air. There are about 3,000 people living in the village. The main livelihoods of the people are term test marks. The main livelihoods of the people are fishing, carpentry, and garment industry. My village has resources needed for fishing, carpentry, and garment industry, etc. Sorry, livelihoods can give no buy. Livelihoods. Moratuwa is famous for carpentry. ටිකක් ජවයක් තුනේ දෙනජිය කුටියක් අයිය කියන්න පොන්ද කරන තියෙනවා නේද? ටිකක් ඉන්න හොඳ ගෑනු වටයක් ඉන්නවා. තරුණයි. වයස ගාය මමගේ 63ක් වයස කට්ටිය නෙවෙයි. carpentry ඔයාලා ආචාර්යලා විතර වඩි බලන්නේ. 6 feet උඩම එහෙමද? නැද්ද? Carpentry is the livelihood for some people. Go. මගේ වයසට කට්ටිය බලලා. I love my village very much. ඇත්තටම 63 63යි. අනිත් පැත්තට බලන්න. මුලට. DEMY. Right, let's start. පටන් ගමු දැන්. My village. Yeah, my village. Street. My village is beautiful. It has a post office, buildings, bus stops, etc. It has beautiful, clean, naturally clean air. There are about 3,000 people living in the village. The main livelihoods the people are fishing, carpentry, and garment industry. My village has resources needed for fishing, carpentry, and garment industry, etc. Mortua is famous for carpentry. Carpentry is the livelihood for some people. I love my village very well. Dimi කරපුදේ හරි මේ අහන්න තව එක දෙයක් කියන්නම් මේ එක සෝස් ඔක්කොම එසේස් ඔක්කොමගේ ළමයි මට එපුවා මම මේ දාලා තින්නේ ඒක ඔයාලු ගත්ත මම දන්නේ වරුනේ දුවා ඉන්නවා මට මතකයි මේ ඔයාලු ගත්ත මම දා ඉතින් දෙන්නේ මම ඒකට ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන එක මම ඒක තමයි එක එක කෙනා පොතේ මම දාලා තින්නේ my best friend එකයි my village එකේ ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන ඕගොල්ලෝ ඒවන ටික මට ටයිප් කරලා ලිව්වොත් ෆොටෝ ගහලා දාන්න බෑනේ ඒවෙන් මිස්ටේක්ස් වල මම මේකට දානවා මම ඔය ගෲප් එකෙන් කරන් දාන්න ආයෙ අපිට ෆිටින් කරන්න යන්න ඊට පස්සේ කාලයකට නම් මම ටියුබ් ගෲප් වල තියෙන ඔක්කොම ටික දාලා කරනවා ඒවා අටපාඩු වල ඩැක් ටික හදනවා හදලා දානවා පිස්සුත් ඒලා එක කියලා දෙනවා කමක් නැහැ මම ඔයාලට යාළුවා ඒක තමයි කරන්න ඉස්සර ළමයි යෝම තමයි දාන්නේ අඩුපාඩු දෙන්න ඒක ඔයාලට පොඩි කොන්ෆිඩන්ස් එකක් එනවා හැමෝටම බෙනිෆිට් එකකුත් එනවා අද මම හදුවේ සංකීර්ණයිනේ මම හදුවේ හරි සංකීර්ණයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක සරලව තියෙන ලස්සනට ඔව් my best friend is Nadevuni. She lives in Kahatuduwa. She is 12 years old. She is very kind and helpful. She has long hair. She is fair and tall. ඔතන සාධාරණ ඔතන fair කියන්නේ පැහැපත්. ඔතන පැහැපත්. ඒක මම සමහර Google Translate එකේ අවුල් දිනවා දාලා. ඔතන fair කියන්නේ සාධාරණයි. සාධාරණ අපිට fair වල. ඔතන ඉන්නේ පැහැපත්. Oh, her former school is Dharmasena Artikala Balika Vidyalaya. But now she is goes she is Udukama apostrophe is kapan. She goes to the right. She is goes okay apostrophe is kapala da. Udukama is in there. She goes. Harida epoda she is කියලා දිනවා කෙනෙක් she is කියලා apostrophe is kapan. She goes to the right. Yeah. She goes to St. Joseph's College. Sorry, St. Joseph's Girls School, Nugegoda. Yes. Because she passed the grade 5 exam. Even though she did not have enough marks to come to my school, which is Anula Vidyalaya, she and I got a school on the same school bus. Her hobby is making original designs. Sorry, origami designs. She has one brother. Her favorite subject is science. May my friend always be happy. Okay, now start. My best friend. My best friend is Nadevuni. She lives in Kahatuduwa and Hajienko energy. She is 12 years old. Very kind and helpful. She has long hair. She is fair and tall. Her former school is Dharmasena Artikala. But now she goes to St. Joseph's Girls College, Nugegoda, because she passed the grade 5 exam. Even though we did not have enough marks to come to my school, which is Amla Vidyalaya, she and I got a school on the same school bus. Her hobby is making origami designs. She has one brother. Her favorite subject is science. May my best friend always be happy. Hari. Then may තව එකක් මම කියන්න හිටියා මට ඒක අමුතුණා නෙමෙයි කතාවත් එක්ක. ඔඩි කරේනවා. හරි. දැන් මෙහෙමයි. ඕගොල්ලෝ පුළුවන් තරම් ඉස්සරහට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරාම මට පෙන්නනවා වගේම ගෙදරින් ටයිප් කරලා දාන්න බෑ. මට ටියුටර් එක දානවා. හරි. ඉස්සරහට පොතේ ලින්ක් එක දැන් මට පෙන්නනවා එසෙස් එක ලියලා ඉවරයි. ඒක අත්‍තරම බලලා දෙනවා. ඊට අමතරව මොකද්ද පුළුවන් තරම් කරන්න කියනවම type කළා දාන event හොඳව තෝරතොර ඔක්කොම දාන්න. Right, next one. My village. My village is Piliyandala. It is a big and beautiful village. My village is located in the Casbah Urban Council area in Colombo district. My village has places like schools, banks, and hospitals. So we can meet our needs quickly. It is very clean. Okay. The people in my village are very brave and honest. Oh, on the other hand, coral sub run to the barakati again. අපි එහෙම කියන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ brave කියලා. හරි. නෑ coral sum ගොඩ බලක කැතයි නේ. They help each other in danger. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉතින් මගේ දිවාණයක් ඇප්පුරොත් අපුරු කෙනා වගේ කියලා හරි කුක්සල ගන්නවා. ඒක උදව් කරනවා. My village has good road facilities. I am proud of my village and I love my village very much. Right, start. My village. My village is Piliyandala. It is a big and beautiful village. My village is located in the in Colombo district. My village has schools, banks, and hospitals. So we can reach our needs quickly. It is very clean. The people in my village are brave and honest. They help each other in danger. My village has good road facilities. Okay, that's all for today. Reading දෙන කටි reading දෙන අනික කට්ටිය paper එක ලියලින් උනා ගොඩක් හොඳයි pluralization නා කොනටම යන්න ඉඩ තියාගන්න බෑ මැද්දේ online කටි reading ready නම් මට message එකක් දාන්න physical අය කොන එකටම යන්න අමිස් දෙන්න පුළුවන් ලොකු දෙයක් හරි paper එක දෙන්න හැමෝටම paper එක ලියන්න කරුණා කරලා හදලා පටන් ගන්න online කටි reading ready වුණාම message එකක් දාන්න මම task දෙනවා class එකකට reading දෙන්න පුළුවන් reading දීලා යන්න පුළුවන් paper එක ලියලා යන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් වෙන දවස්වල reading දෙන්න එතකොට online ready වුණා message එකක් දාන්න මම කිව්වා හරි ready කියලා once you are ready let me know okay Esendu you can start Esendu today you can start
okay sir Mary Lennox was born in India. Her mother and father were from England, but they lived in India because her father worked there. Mary's mother was very beautiful. She had many friends and she likes to go out with them. She was always with her friends. She had not really wanted a child at all. Mary's father was often out too because he worked very hard. So Mary did not see her mother or father very often. Servants took care of her. They did everything to please her and to stop her crying. Mary was a thin, ugly baby who was often ill. She did not get better as she grew bigger. She was always a thin, unhealthy child because the servants always did what she wanted. She was not at all a nice child. She thought only about herself. No one loved Mary and Mary loved no one. Thank you, sir.
Okay, when others are also ready, let me know. Others, hurry up. When you are ready, let me know. ෆිසිකල් අයත් ඕක ලියලා යන්නත් පුළුවන් රීඩින් දෙන්නත් පුළුවන් වෙන දවසක ඕන දවසක 2 to 6 අතර ඇවිල්ලා දෙන්නත් පුළුවන් හරි challenge එකක් කරන වැඩ කරන්න වෙන ඉස්සෙල්ලා ෆයිට් එකක් තියෙනුනේ කාචලම්ස් can you answer this call because I'm in the class sorry for troubling you yeah others are you ready or not Randi and others when you ready let me know ready නම් මට message එකක් දාන්න ඉක්මන් කරලා පුතේ මම හිතක online කට්ටියක වැඩ මේ physical ඉන්න කට්ටියක වැඩ බලනවා Rashindu ready වෙන්න කිව්වේ speech එකට ready නම් message එකක් දාන්න කියලා. Okay Randi you can start Randi sure you can start.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to present a letter. Number 6, Gunaratna wrote Homagama, 19th November 2021. Dear Uncle, how are you, Uncle? I could not write to you because I was busy with my oral exam. How the exam is now? The exam is over. After the exam, I hope to visit your place. I think I have to do my exam very well. It is like relaxing for a great burden. Now I feel so relaxed. I expect to visit you on Monday and I hope to stay at your place for a week. I would like to bath this hour. I have never bathed in a well earlier. I think there will be a lot of mangoes in Anuradhapura as this is mango season. I would like to play with a cousin brother and sister. We can play cricket. I like to eat junk curry prepared by auntie. I hope to visit and worship Sri Mahabodhir, Ruwanbeli Sayar and other important religious places. I want to get photographs of the place to show my friends. Give my kind regards to auntie and cousins. I will coming by 6 a.m. train from Colombo Fort. God bless you. Your affectionately, Randi. And now I'm finished, sir. Thank you very much.
Arupita, welcome. It was excellent. Okay, what about Rashindu? Are you ready?
No, sir.
Okay, Enoki, are you ready, Pute?
Sir, give me a 1 minute.
Okay, sure, Buddha.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Buddha, you can start.
Hi everybody. Today I'd like to talk about scientists build full color camera the size of a giant of salt. Ever wanted to live without your very own interspace experience? This camera that's raw the size of a giant of a salt could one day find itself working its way around your digestive system to give a doctors a cleaner picture of your health. Built by the researchers of the Princeton University and the University of Washington, the camera is able to pump out clear, full-colored image equivalent to what you would see from a camera 5 million times the size. To build a working camera at the scale, the scientists had to completely reimagine the tech that you would find inside a camera. In order to shrink down the size of a camera, you really have to look at the optical system, said Flexi Haight, the study's scenario author. If you look at the remaining piece of a camera, that's been the sensor and the electronics, they have already been ministered out the last decades quite substantially. So we can all really build ultra small sensors. The optical system haven't really been designed very difficult since the day of the geese. Instead, for the usual area of the quadrant glass piece used in the most camera optics, which we know as the lenses. This tiny device make use of a nanotechnology known as the miniature phase, cramming an incredible 1.6 million critical posed onto a surface just half a millimeter wide. With the surface being so small, it's come as the on surprise that the pose is absolutely tiny. This pose eventually channels in from the light toward a sensor, a bit like an antenna. An artificial intelligence then makes sense of a pattern of the light hitting on the surface of the sensor. In the part ultra compact lenses have produced the blurry images with a small field of a view and the limit color spectrum. But the team were able to train a machine learning to algorithm in the simulation to create a clear picture from the data collected. It's tiny, complicated, surprisingly high definition, but then being an impressive display of a science. What is the use of this camera? This potential of bringing these ultra small cameras inside a body, human body to do endoscopy on the smaller scale. That's one of the area we are we are all really pushing forward. Then a completely different area we are looking into a space imagery. How can we bring down the size of a telescope, for example, to something much lighter? So we you don't have to bring these massive optics into the space. Another possible use that is closer to home for most people is the potential application in smartphones. With such little devices, you could pack 100 of cameras into one phone with them all working together for a super photo.
Then I stop this essay. Thank you sir for giving this opportunity.
Okay, Pita, very good. Rashidu, are you ready? Rashidu, if you are ready, you can start. And otherwise, from the O, Enuki can talk for the second time. You can have a second chance. If Rashidu is not ready, others can have their second chances. On physical class, I have a chance. Rashidu and others. Hurry up. Okay, Randi, what about the Enoki? Are you ready for the second chance? Yeah, brother, sure. Not tomorrow, next Saturday. Rashindu, add chance ya कौन Rashindu? Enuki, if you can, if you want, you can start with the. You can have your second chance, huh? Enuki, today. Pasan, when you are ready, let me know. Okay, sure. Ready and tagal. Ready, lawan dan mesti ready kela. Then you can start. You can have chance. You can have a chance. Okay, with Sahan, you can start. Sahan, then now you can start.
Uh, my topic is the importance of learning English language. English is the most widely used language in the world. Nearly two-thirds of the world population use the English language. In countries like England, the USA, Canada, Australia, and in several parts of Africa, it is the mother tongue. In many Commonwealth countries like Sri Lanka, India, and Malaysia, it is the second language. English is important not only as an international language, but also has a language of trade, has a linked language, has a language of mass communications, has a second language, has a language of everyday life, and has a means of obtaining foreign employment. English can be regarded as the window to the world. This idea was expressed by the first Prime Minister of India, the late Jawaharlal Nehru. There are several communities in Sri Lanka. English plays an important role as a link language. It promotes good relations among all the communities. If we now English, we can communicate with other ethnic groups easily. Today, the world is highly advanced in science and technology. Almost all the books on these subjects are written in English. If we know English, we can read and understand the facts in these books. Today, the whole world has become a global village through modern methods of communication such as telex, fax, emails, internet, and soon English is the main language that is used in all these media. As our economy is based mostly on import export trade, we have to deal conversation with other countries. English is essentially for this purpose too. For those who seek foreign employment, English is indispensable. Thank you, sir.
Abhibuddha, welcome, and it was excellent. What about Fasan now? Are you ready? Okay, you can start. The person you can start.
Today I'm talk about conservation of nature. Nature has provided use numerous gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, planets, and animals. All these gifts of nature make our earth a place would living exercise extenders of Earth would not be possible without any of these. Now, while these natural reservoirs are present on Earth in plenty, unfortunately, the necessity of most of these has increased extremely. However, the contributes to growth in the human pollution. What is conservation of nature? Conservation of nature means the preservation of forest, land, water, body, and minerals, natural grass, and to make sure that all these continue to be available in abundance. Thus, all these natural reservoirs make life would living on Earth. Life would not be imaginable
Abundance, huh?
without their
Okay, continue with
what's
it. It was abundance that you said. It's okay, continue. Abundance, huh? But anyway, continue.
abundance. Thus, all these natural reservoirs make life worth living on Earth. Life would not be imaginable without air, water, sunlight, as well as other natural reservoirs present on the Earth. Okay. Finish, sir.
Okay, person, very good. If there's anyone else, Sahan, thaggalap induk mga sahan dewan ඔක්කොම ටික. Okay. Sahan
සර්
loud.
මට කියන්න පුළුවන්ද මේ ග්‍රැමර් ක්ලාස් එක කවදද කියලා සර්?
Sahan මම දැන් වලට
ග්‍රැමර්
thaggalap
එකක් තිබ්බනේ සර්.
on top of the sahan වල WhatsApp දැම්මා. බලන්න thaggalap. මේකේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම time table එක. Right. WhatsApp check today. So, any of you ready for the second chance? කාට second chance එකක් ඕනිද? Okay, no, Sahan, did you see that? ඒක හොඳට study කරන්න පුතේ. ඒක ඔක්කොම දිනවා. grammar, spoken දෙකම දාලා තියවල. grammar විතරක් මම දාන්න ඕන නම් දැන් ඒකට තමයි. spoken විතරකුත් දැම්මා. separately. දැන් බලන්නකො දෙක වෙනම දාලා තියනවා. grammar and spoken. Right. If none of you are ready for a second chance, I am going to stop for today. Second chance එකක් ගන්න තමයි නවත්තන පුතේ. ඉක්මනට කියන්න මට.
සර් මට සර් සැටර්ඩේ වගේ එක හොඳයිද සර් ග්‍රැමර් එකට සර්?
Saturday වාට මේ 12 to 1 එක නම් හොඳයි. 12 to 1 එක හොඳයි advance එක. 12 to 1 එක.
12 to 1 එක.
Yep. ඒක හොඳයි. ඒක
සර්
advance.
දැන් මම සර් මම ලබන සති නම් සර් ක්ලාස් එකට ජොයින් වුණොත් එතකොට අර ටිකම නේ සර්?
Same. Yes.
හරි සර් ඕකේ සර්. මම 12 1 එක සර් සැටර්ඩේ එක මේ වෙන්නම් සර්.
Sure, Pratisa. Okay, sure.
හරි සර්. thank you සර්.
Do you need a second chance? Any of you? Hasan, do you need a second chance? No. Okay, then what about Sahan? Do you need a second chance? You can start this, Sahan.
My topic is globalizations. Globalization is the process by which different societies, culture, and regional economics integrate thought thought worldwide network of political ideas, thought transportation, communications, and trade. Generally, globalizations has affect many nations. Nations in various ways, economically, politically, and socially. It is a term that refers to the fast integrations and independence of various nations, which shapes the world affairs or on a global levels. Globalizations has affected the products, people's consumes, the environment, cultures, security, and idea exchange between different countries. There are many factors that led to the speed globalization treats. The accelerations in globalization can be attitude to the increase in free trade activities, emergency technologies of the world of the worldwide as expanders of markets. Globalization has affect cultures and economics on matters dealing with environment, discussion, and availability of the already limited resources. Globalization has had diverse implications of environmental issues such as pollutions, deforestation, water resources, climate change, and biodiversity losses. The rampant environmental problems has becomes the subject of international effects because of the effects are felt globally. The negative impacts of globalization focus on the discussions of on the environment that is sport ordinate. On the other hand, the positive impacts are the multinationals companies research into the technology that is friendly and increase in environmental owners. Thank you, sir.
Alvida, welcome. It was excellent. Real nice. Right. Do you need a third chance? Oh, Hasan, do you need a second chance? Otherwise, I'm going to stop for today. What do you say? Sahan, do you need a third chance? In any case? Next chance, only now got a message if you need a second chance or third chance. I mean, like for 4% second chance, for Sahan third chance. If not, I'm going to stop for today because I have Sahan, you asked why I'm stopping the class earlier. I have an exam tomorrow, so I'm these days working hard for that. Okay, then as no one is requesting for the third chance, I'm going to stop for today. Then everyone, good night. Bye. Have a studious week. Stay safe.